Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how Google Drive lets you preview and edit files, even those created in other programs like Microsoft Excel, and I'll walk you through converting files to Google formats when you want full editing power. Let's start. We have this Excel sheet, which opens with Microsoft Excel program. Now let us upload it to our Google Drive. After the upload is complete, take a quick look without opening a separate app. Simply double-click the spreadsheet. A preview window appears right inside Google Drive and shows your data, charts, and layout. This is even telling us that Excel documents can be edited with Google Sheets. Another way to edit that spreadsheet is to click the three dots at the end. There is the window that says Open With. Click it and choose Google Sheets. When you select Google Sheets, Drive will open a working version of the spreadsheet. Now, here's an important detail. Depending on how Drive and your account are configured, you may be editing a converted Google Sheets version, or you may be editing the original file directly in Office Compatibility mode. The most reliable and full-featured option is to convert the file to Google Sheets. After the preview opens, go to the top menu inside the document and click File, then choose Save as Google Sheets. When you do this, Google creates a new file in your Drive in native Google Sheets format. You'll now have two files in Drive, the original Excel file and a new Google Sheets copy. Now let's cover how to revert back or download your Google Sheets file as an Excel file. If you converted a file and want to save that Google Sheets version as an Excel file again, open the Google Sheets document, go to File, choose Download, and pick Microsoft Excel.xlsx. That downloads a new .xlsx copy with the current content and formatting. Use this when you need to share a version that works in Excel. If you have a lot of spreadsheets or documents and you want Drive to convert them automatically when you upload, there's a setting for that. From your Google Drive main page, click the gear icon in the upper right and choose Settings. In the Settings window, look for the option labeled Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format and tick that box. Any compatible files you upload will be converted automatically into Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides format. This saves time, especially if you prefer to work natively in Google's editors, but remember that automatic conversion can create duplicate files. The converted Google version will appear in your Drive while the original upload may not be automatically preserved unless you download or keep a copy first. A few final practical reminders. First, always check the icons in Drive to know which file type you're looking at. A green icon means Google Sheets, blue means Google Docs, and an Excel icon means a .xlsx file. Second, if you see formatting issues after conversion, try fixing the most important visual items manually, and if the file contains macros or very advanced Excel features, consider keeping the original .xlsx and editing in Excel where possible. Third, remember that Google Sheets keeps a version history automatically. Open File then Version History to see previous versions and restore if needed. That's everything you need to confidently preview, edit, convert, and manage spreadsheets between Excel and Google Sheets.